Not One Stone, is the latest work by Larry M. Wishon. Daniel's 70 weeks prophecy speaks not only of the captives' return from Babylon to rebuild Jerusalem and its temple, but it also speaks of the complete destruction and desolation of the same. When the Messiah Prince came, exactly when Daniel's prophecy predicted, much of his ministry was given to warning Judea and its leaders of this coming destruction. In fact, his warnings of the destruction of Jerusalem and its temple formed one of the main themes of his ministry. These warnings began with John the Baptist, and continued through his apostles in their preaching and writings. Many of these warnings were framed in the apocalyptic language of the Hebrew prophets. It was a language the Judeans were very familiar with. However, this type of language can be a challenge for the modern Bible reader. It is the language of a darkening sun and moon, of falling stars, of melting elements, of the heavens and earth passing away. Many times, the modern reader makes the mistake of interpreting this language in a literal sense, as if the sun will literally go dark, and the stars will truly fall out of their place in the heavens. However, this language of the prophets is used to illustrate the devastating end of a people, city or nation, by divine judgment. After reading Not One Stone, you will better understand the prophecies and the language used by Jesus and his apostles, when they spoke of the judgment that was coming upon Jerusalem and its temple at the end of that age. You will also understand the significant difference between the coming of the Son of Man and the second coming of Christ.